In this tutorial, we will teach you how to calculate formulas across worksheets in Excel. As you can see, all the sheets are similar except for the data in them. If you want to make changes in all the sheets, instead of editing all the sheets one by one, simply click on the first sheet and click on the last sheet while holding the Shift key. Now make a change in the sheet, and all the sheets will be changed in exactly the same manner. To copy a sheet and make a new one exactly like that, click on the sheet you want to copy, press the Control key, take your mouse to the right or left of the sheet, and let go of the mouse. Your sheet will be copied. Let's delete this for now. There is another way of copying the sheet as well. For that, right-click on the sheet name and select the Move or Copy option. Choose where you want the sheet to be placed, check the box Create Copy, and press the OK button to exit. In this tutorial, we have renamed the sheet to Summary. In order to calculate the total of all months, click on the first cell and write =sum. Then go to the first sheet name, press the Shift key, and go to the last sheet, that is March. Click on the first cell of the first sheet and press Enter. When the total is calculated, double-click on the autofill handle to complete the entire column.